Hello Tracy and Carrie, this is Danette at Hall Chevrolet. I wanted to send you a quick preview on a 2012 Impala LT that you were inquiring on. I know that you like this car, but when you come and test drive that Impala, you're going to fall in love with it. When you do come in, make sure you ask for the internet department. Also mention this video so you'll get your $25 gift card. Now Tracy and Carrie, this particular 2012 Impala is LT in trim. It actually is the Gold Mist Metallic. So it has the 3.6 liter V6 with 300 horsepower as well. It is including the MP3 player, satellite radio, navigation, Bluetooth connection, everything that you guys need to get around town in style. And we look forward to seeing you today at 6, so if you have any questions or need directions, you can call us at 757-233-8120. We do look forward to further assisting you, and we also value your time and that you're willing to spend it with us here at Hall Chevrolet on Western Branch. Thank you.